This is one of our quick Onshape Tech Tips. So today we're going to be looking at how you can add an image of a student's work to trace around in Onshape. So you can take their actual sketch that they've drawn by hand, load it into Onshape, and they can trace over it. So we've got our left mouse button on the red and our right mouse button on the blue. So all we're going to do is we're going to start with a sketch. So I'm going to go Sketch, and I'm going to click once it appears on the front plane there and press the N key. Now, normally, I've been using this feature already, normally you'll have a button that looks like Insert DXF or DWG. So that's for like importing a line drawing from something like 2D Design. But next to it is an arrow. And if I press that arrow, I get Insert Image. Now, that opens this little dialog box, Insert Image, and we go to Import. And very traditional, we're in the middle of June and I'm going to draw a snowman. But I'm just going to press OK. And it will come in. We can then click on the snowman. So it says it's been imported. And I'm just going to draw that there. And what we can do is we can resize this straight away. So I'm just using the dimension button. Click on a line. I'm going to set that to 100. Oops, not 10, 100. And then if I click the center and an edge, we can set that to 50. A center and an edge, we can set that to 50. Oh, not 560, 50. So we've now got our image in there and it's done. So that's 2 minutes to add an image. Now, if you want to sketch over it, this will take another minute. We go Sketch, Front, press the N key. I'm just going to use my scroll wheel to zoom in. And let's say we're going to draw around the whole of this. So we'd use the spline tool. I'll start at the hat there. I'm just going to trace around the outside of this. And remember, the more clicks you do, the more accurate shape will be. I'm just going to finish clicking there and press Escape. Do one down the other side, so back on the spline. Now, all I'm going to do on this first one is just create the basic outline shape. I can then draw the other bits in afterwards. I'm going to click along there. I'm going to press Escape. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, press Fix, and press the tick. If I zoom it round, we've now got our sketch in front of our drawing. Press Extrude, Sketch 2, 5mm, and there's my outline for the snowman. So there we are. That was our quick tech tip in Onshape from the Onteacher this week. Thanks for watching.